Today we're going to talk about a critical issue for YouTube content creators: copyright infringement. Understanding copyright laws and how to protect your content is essential for every creator. Copyright infringement occurs when someone uses your copyrighted content without your permission. This can include your videos, music, images, or any other original work. Here's what you need to know to protect your content and handle infringement issues. Copyright gives you the exclusive right to use and distribute your work. This means that you can control how others use your content, and you can take action if someone uses it without your permission. Once you create original content, you automatically own the copyright to it. While you automatically own the copyright, registering it with the Copyright Office can provide additional legal benefits. Registration makes it easier to enforce your rights and take legal action if someone uses your content without permission. YouTube's Content ID system automatically scans videos for matches to your original content. If a match is found, you can choose to block the video, monetize it, or track its views. You can issue a dmca takedown notice. This legal request compels the platform to remove your copyrighted material. Include your contact information, a description of your original work, the location of the infringing material, and a statement of good faith belief that the use is unauthorized. Add watermarks to your videos to deter theft and help you prove ownership. Then regularly search for your content online to ensure it hasn't been used without your permission. If you find that your content has been used without permission, take immediate action. Contact the infringer directly if possible, or use YouTube's reporting tools to file a complaint. Navigating copyright infringement can be challenging. If you need help protecting your content or dealing with infringement, consider hiring professionals like Leak Content Removal. We specialize in handling copyright issues and ensuring that your content is protected and removed swiftly, providing you with the best possible outcome. Understanding and protecting your copyright is essential for every YouTube content creator to protect your work. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. And if you need professional assistance with copyright issues, visit us at leakcontentremoval.com. Our team is here to help you protect your work and manage your online reputation. Until next time, stay vigilant and protect your content.